history, quality, and the perfect location. The Blacksmith Lofts in Cambridge offer a unique opportunity to own a piece of old Galt. Located steps from the Gaslight District, this area is poised to be the heart of innovation, entertainment, and education within the core of Cambridge. With some of the area's best restaurants, Grand River walking trails, and the Hamilton Family Theatre, there's no shortage of activities just outside your door. Inside Unit 208, the 13-foot ceilings, exposed brick, and large windows pay homage to the building's industrial past. Distressed hardwood flooring and granite countertops are just some of the details which offer modern design elements throughout. Originally designed to be a one-bedroom plus den, this corner unit is currently being used as an open-concept studio with one bathroom and an option to add another. This beautiful custom-made office furniture with a granite top can be sold with the unit. Upstairs, enjoy the sunrise and sunsets from this rooftop patio with river views. With a unique opportunity to own 2 parking spaces, leave both cars at home, and enjoy one of the most desirable neighborhoods in Waterloo Region. The Blacksmith Lofts in Old Galt. History, quality, and the perfect location. To see this property in person, contact Sarah Middleton, broker, with Royal LePage Crown Realty Services.